What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 in USB. So first you need to head over to Google or any browser, and then the search bar you need to type software download. After that you will see this first official website of Microsoft. Click on the software download website of Microsoft, and from here you will see Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 8.1 and Windows 7. And after that just simply click on Windows 10, and after clicking on Windows 10, as you can see the Windows 10 window. From here you just simply need to click on download now, and after that you will see the using the tool to create installation media, USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file to install Windows 10 on different PC. When you click on this here you will see the steps to install Windows 10 in the USB. So you can just pause this video and then you can see all the requirements and the steps to install Windows 10 in USB. And after that, when you are done, simply click on download now, and then you can just simply download the Windows 10 installation media in the USB. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.